Top 5 Venomous Snake. Venomous snakes have long been a subject of fascination and fear. From their striking appearance to their deadly venom, these animals command our attention and respect. But for those who live in areas where venomous snakes are common, these creatures are also a very real threat. Eastern brown snake, Pseudonagetex tilis. Found in Australia and New Guinea. Known for its aggression and potent venom, which can cause paralysis and internal bleeding. Inland Taipan, Oxyuranus microlepidus. Also known as the fierce snake, it is found in Australia. It has the most toxic venom of any snake, capable of killing an adult human in as little as 45 minutes. Black Mamba, Dendroaspis polylepis. Found in sub-Saharan Africa, this snake is known for its speed and aggression. Its venom attacks the nervous system and can cause death within hours. King Cobra, a Phaeophagus henna. Found in Southeast Asia and India, this snake is the longest venomous snake in the world. It is known for its iconic hood and ability to spit venom. Its venom attacks the nervous system and can cause respiratory failure. Russell's viper, Daboia russellii. Found in South and Southeast Asia, this snake is responsible for the most snake bite deaths in India. Its venom causes tissue damage and can lead to hemorrhaging. If bitten by a venomous snake, seek immediate medical attention. Try to keep the affected limb immobilized and below the heart to slow the spread of venom. Do not try to suck out the venom or make any incisions in the skin. Anti-venom is the most effective treatment for snake bites, and time is critical in administering it. In general, it's important to avoid interactions with venomous snakes in the first place. Wear protective clothing and footwear when in areas known to have venomous snakes and be aware of your surroundings. If you encounter a snake, do not try to handle or provoke it. Give it a wide berth and allow it to move away on its own. In conclusion, while venomous snakes can be dangerous, with proper precautions and prompt medical attention, most snake bites can be treated effectively. Understanding the behavior and characteristics of venomous snakes can help people avoid dangerous encounters and stay safe in areas where these snakes are present.